Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to fix certain tweaks if they appear to have broken on you. So if I just come into Cydia, and as you can see, I've had a kern bypass update because I've actually added an extra source. So currently it's on 0.03-26 plus debug. So if you come down to here, it says support for iOS 12.x. Essentially, when you're looking at it, you're thinking this is the latest version and I've already updated. However, if I come across to settings and then come down to kern bypass, you'll see that it's broken for me. So it's the error, there was an error loading the preference bundle for kern bypass. So if you get this particular issue, what you need to do is come back to Cydia, click on the particular tweak. You can either do it through changes if it's only just happened, or you can search for it. Once you're into the actual tweak, what you want to do is click on modify in the top right and click downgrade. Now, from personal experience, I know that 0.0.2 was the one that I had previously installed. So if I hit confirm, this will now downgrade the tweak for me. When I then come back in, what you'll notice is if I come back down to kern bypass, all of a sudden it's all back again. So obviously this isn't ideal in terms of staying up to date. However, if a particular tweak update comes out and it happens to break the tweak that you're using, then it's pretty much useless to you at that stage until a further upgrade or until a newer version comes out, essentially. So what you also need to do is, obviously you're constantly going to get prompted for an upgrade. So what you also want to do is come into change package settings and just click ignore upgrades, and then that should then get rid of the little red icon that you have down at the bottom.